Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Andis T-Outliner and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. Today, we will delve into their features, specifications, and user experiences to help you decide which trimmer is the best fit for your grooming routine. Let's get started. The Andis T-Outliner is renowned for its precise and close-cutting ability, making it ideal for outlining and detailing. Its carbon steel T-blade ensures a clean cut, perfect for achieving sharp lines. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 offers versatility with its self-sharpening stainless steel blades, which provide efficient trimming across various hair types and lengths. While the Andis excels in precision, the Norelco shines in its adaptability for different grooming tasks. The Andis T-Outliner operates on a corded design, which, while providing consistent power, limits mobility during use. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is cordless, offering users the freedom to groom without being tethered to a power source. This feature makes it more convenient for travel and on-the-go grooming, appealing to those who prefer versatility in their grooming routine. The Andis T-Outliner is a specialized tool with limited attachments, focusing primarily on beard and hair detailing. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 comes with 19 different attachments, making it a versatile grooming kit suitable for various body areas, including beard, head, hair, and body grooming. This extensive range of attachments allows for a more comprehensive grooming experience, catering to diverse styling needs. In conclusion, both the Andis T-Outliner and the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 have their unique strengths. If you prioritize precision and a close cut, the Andis T-Outliner is an excellent choice. However, if you need a versatile, all-in-one grooming solution, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.